people of the fountain.
The Oloris, there are very many because I'm the husband of all the Oloris. As at now, there are about 40. These are all some of them are 80-year-old, 90-year-old, and the young ones, the Oloris are the wives of all the princes. And as the other, I take care of them as my wives, and even the wives of the late Kabisi, so they are all my wives. So they will dance, they will praise me, and the town people will join me in dancing around the palace, and they will eat again, drink, and make merry until later in the evening when they will retire and go home.
Tí ọba yìí ti jẹ oyè tó ti jẹ oyè ọba láti rí ìyípadà ní ìlú Ìyìn torí à ń ṣe irú eléyìí tẹ́lẹ̀ civilization ó ti gba gbogbo a dúpẹ́ pé a ní ọba tó dáa gẹ́gẹ́ bí orúkọ wọn Ọọ̀ni Ọ̀sáyé.
Culture and the character of Ekiti. This is it.
The Muslim community, they have their own calendar. The Christian community, they have their own calendar. But traditionally, in Inyi as a town, Inyi as a community, no, our own year starts today. So today is one of whichever year you want to say.
gbogbo àgbẹ̀ èyí lórí ìtìjú àtẹ̀yọ̀ lóní àtẹ̀jẹ́ àtẹ̀mú.
The following morning, all the chiefs will come back again to the palace to drink the palm wine left behind, and then we will break kola nuts, we share kola nuts, and again the chiefs will pay homage and pledge their loyalty to the Oba. I will say that the royal feasting ceremony is just to make merry and thank God for giving us the opportunity to witness yet another traditional year. So that is the significance. One of the most pronounced renowned personalities in this town is Babam Boni. Babam Boni was one of the indigenous captured as a slave and was in Ibadan during the 19th century, and he got himself liberated from Ibadan. But that is after he had become a Christian, and he learned how to read and write. So when he came back in 1884 to him, 1884, he introduced, he met some other people, he met another person who was a Christian, but he took active part in introducing Christianity to Imi, and later on moved from Imi to Ado Ekiti, and he evangelized Ado Ekiti people, particularly the Ewu, and Ewu became a Christian through his efforts. And then later on he moved, had a school along Ogbese. It's a road, a missionary school, where he took in some people, who would farm in the morning, and then he would teach them how to read and write. Some of these people got educated, some later on went to Christ school, and I learned that even some of them went on later to training colleges, and a few of them even became professors in those days. So, in his honor, a church has been built and named after him. It's the Babam Boni Memorial Church, Anglican. When he died, he was even buried in the Bishop's Court in Ado Ekiti.
Showcasing the Ekiti origin, religion, culture.
The whole town is peaceful, and we are making progress. And during my 5 years, there's a lot of tremendous development in town. And again, my subjects are making it. Like at least I was lucky. One of my soldiers was made a minister of aviation, and he was there for some time. And he used his influence also to help the town. We have government has been very helpful. For example, the new road to our, it was taken up by government, and government is working on it. And again, there are some physical developments, like a skill acquisition center, where we can use to train some of our youth. And again, on our own, we've been able to, we felt that health is wealth. So the community has donated an X-ray center costing about 5 million to the state government. We built the health center in the hospital. And again, since my installation as a Diologist, we have got about 8 boreholes to provide the water in town. And there is a saying which says, He who gives water gives life. So there's also, and in education, we were able to get the government to approve our Pioneer Secondary School as a boarding school, one of the few boarding schools in the state. So on health ground, we are doing very well, and socially, we are moving forward. If you go around, we have new churches springing up, and old ones are being repaired, and new ones are being built, even along the roads. So I think we thank God for what He has been doing for us.
People of the Fountain.